Seeing from awareness, there is a great pendulum that swings in the relative world between good and bad, right and wrong, like and don't like, want and don't want, dark and light, like an endless clock that ticks backwards and forwards, unstoppable and eternal. We are either bound to this incessant movement, or we somehow become free of it, simply through awareness. By fully seeing the dualistic nature of existence, we transcend it, yet still live it. There is a great freedom in this awareness. It means we can live in the world fully, but at the same time know its illusory nature. To imagine that duality is ultimate truth is the cause of such great suffering. The world we live in is ephemeral. To deny this is insane. To embrace it is liberating. It opens the door to true compassion for the impermanence of all things of form.